telling a joke. One leaps high with a great big yawn. Now there are three and one's gone. Three little frogs playing a game. One got tired and left the same. Plopped in the water, cool and deep. Now there are two, no time for sleep. Two little frogs, rip and spin, dancing around with a froggy grin. One did a flip and swam away. Now there's one left to play. One little frog, all alone on the log, singing a tune to the moonlit fog. But then a splash, and what a surprise, the others came back with firefly pies. Five little frogs back on the log,